guys, now that you have your bird all paper mache'd and you're going to set it outside to dry, you can make the decision whether or not you're going to have wings. So this is a wing that I made. It's pretty substantial. You don't want to just use one flimsy piece of tin foil. What I did is I took a fairly large piece and then I folded it in half, and then I folded it again so that I made a square. So it looks like this. And now it's at least 4 layers thick. And what I did, starting at the corner, is I started to make a triangle. And I want to think about how big my bird is. Like, this wing is ginormous. So I want to kind of fix that. And that's the wonderful thing about tinfoil, is I'm going to kind of fold that again. Just like that. And then I'm going to start to kind of round this edge a little bit in order to make my wing. And so now I have a nice substantial wing. And if you hold it up to your bird and you're like, holy moly, that's too big, then what you can do, I don't recommend cutting it, but you can just start by just like that. So now I just started folding it to make it a little bit smaller. So that looks more like the wing that should go on this bird. And I'm going to paper mache this too and let it dry. You want to do both sides so that otherwise the paper really won't stick if you just do one side. It'll just fall off. Right, after you do all the paper macheing, then you need to start creating paper to use on Wednesday to make your bird. So I used a coffee filter here, and I just put on some different colors of blue with my washable markers, and just added some color, a little amount of water, and just painted with my brush or my cotton swab, depending on what you've got on hand, in order to make my papers. So I probably would make like 3 or 4 different coffee filters, and the decisions about the color would be made based on my drawing that I had planned of what types of colors that I'm going to use. So you could also use copy paper as to make your colors. If you don't have crayons or if you don't have markers, you can always go and find magazine papers, right? Those are really nice bright colors. That's another thing you can do. So today, I want you to make your ideas, create your armature, paper mache your armature, and make the papers for creating some color on your bird. All right, you have a lot to do. I can't wait to see you on Wednesday, and have fun. Bye.